make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'll surrender.
Hi everybody, so I hope you're well and having a really great day today. So today I'm going to be sharing with you what I think you should be buying from Lush with £20 to spend. This was very, very difficult, I'm not gonna lie. Instead of just doing the entire store, I thought I would make this one specifically a Halloween/Christmas edition because I have been asked many a time to tell you guys what I think you should buy with a certain amount of money, and I just think this one would be a little bit more fun if we kept it kind of Halloween and Christmas and kind of stuck with that. So without further ado, I'm going to jump right in, and this video is not going to be overly long because I'm not going to lie to you, I think we only managed to get 4 products in and it ended up being £20 and 40 pence. So we did go a little bit over, but hopefully you guys don't mind too much, and I just think you guys would love all of these things. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. So the first thing is by no surprise, and that is the Lord of Misrule bath bomb. Now this bath bomb retails for £4.50 and it's basically a patchouli, black pepper and vanilla bath bomb, and it's basically a green bath bomb with a red centre, so your bath goes from a bright green to a deep dark red colour, and it's so nice and it smells amazing, and it just smells to me like Halloween and Christmas, and it just brings back all those memories. So that's my first thing that I think you guys should buy. Obviously you might not like the scent of these things, but this is just what I would suggest. So yeah, that is product number 1. Moving on to the second product I think you should buy with your £20, and that is the Sparkly Pumpkin Bubble Bar. Now the Sparkly Pumpkin is £4.95 and it's basically an orange bubble bar which is probably around this size. It's sparkly with gold glitter, and obviously the glitter is made from seaweed, so it's not going to harm the environment or anything like that, but it smells so good. It's like an orangey clove kind of warm scent, and it just smells amazing, and it's one of my favourites. I think I've bought probably 20 in my time. Like, I've bought so many of them, I don't want to know how much I've spent on them, but I've spent a lot of money. So yeah, the Sparkly Pumpkin is definitely up there, and I think you should buy it with your £20 to spend. So yeah, next up will be a bit hit or miss depending on whether you like these items, and I really do, and I bought it myself and I love it so much, so I've popped it on here. However, it is £7, so it is a big chunk of the money, but it's really good and it would last you a long time, so I thought I'd pop this in anyway, and that is the Yog Nog shower gel. Now Yog Nog basically smells like toffee and vanilla, and it just smells incredible. Like, it's warm and it's so sweet, but it's not overly sweet. So you have Snow Fairy, which is kind of your classic bubblegum and pink and sparkly. It is a nice shower gel, don't get me wrong, like me and Lewis both love it, but it's not the best in terms of, like, if you don't like sweet smells, you wouldn't like it, but Yog Nog has so many more layers to it that it just smells really good, and if you like sweet smells, you'll love it. If you don't, you might like it. It smells like cookies and vanilla and biscuits and toffee, and it's so good. But yeah, it is £7 like I say, so if you don't want to spend £7 on a shower gel, you could definitely get yourself like 2 more bath bombs or something instead. So definitely something I would get with £20 to spend. And lastly, with your £20, I had a little look on the website, and I think this bath bomb would make a nice addition, and this is the Snowman Dreaming bath bomb, which is a white bath bomb with some kind of colours on the side. This bath bomb retails for £3.95, which obviously makes the total of the collection £20 and 40 pence. So I actually haven't used this one myself, but the description on the website just made me feel like I would love it, so I'm going to read it to you. It says, this bath bomb is like Olaf in a little bomb who would like to just run around giving everyone warm hugs, making them feel better. This is a surprising bath bomb with beautiful rainbow colours and the most amazing smell. Let the warm hugs fill the world. Now I just thought that was really cute. Ingredients wise, it's lavender oil, cedar wood. I mean, that's basically it. I'm not gonna lie, like lavender, cedar wood is basically the scent. Other than that, you've just kind of, you've got your colours and cream of tartar, citric acid, the stuff that makes the bath bomb fizzy. So yeah, I think it's just a really nice relaxing bath bomb, and here's a picture of it kind of in action. Like, it literally creates a rainbow in the water. I just think that's really cute and something a little bit different. So yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling about that, but I just think that's really cute, and I think it would make a definite basically it would make a nice addition if you're going to buy that one. I just think it's really good. So that is what I would buy from Lush this Halloween and Christmas if you've only got £20 to spend. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe because it means the absolute world, and I hope you've been enjoying all the videos recently. I've just been really filming as many as I can, and I hope you don't mind, but I do film a lot of them in the same day just because I don't have the time. Like, I work 5 days a week, and then one day of the week I just like to chill. So yeah, I have 1 day a week basically to film, so I like to just film loads in advance. So I hope you guys don't mind that too much. But yeah, enjoy your day, have a fantastic evening. I hope you're ready for Christmas, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys.